Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to restore your crypto wallet on Ledger. So, if you are here, just go over here exactly to the right and just double click the buttons. Go over here, we will restore our wallet. So click on restore, and over here we will restore from recovery phrases. So click on that, and now we'll just find our recovery phrases, select the words. I have 24 words, and now I will just write it over here exactly. So once I have this done, I will let you know. Alright, now I have it done. Now it's processing. So we will wait a little bit. Alright, I put my recovery phrases over here. And now we'll just wait while it is restoring. I will let you guys know. And now it says your device is ready. So that is how you can restore your Ledger Nano X. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day and peace.